It was this very passionate classroom teacher. Yes, I was just busy in my own space, teaching my maths and all of that. I knew I've been very intrigued about the use of technology from from almost the very start of my career as a teacher. But diving into it, I was always giving myself excuses like, okay, I'll do it, but later. I would go learn desktop publishing, and I'm thinking, oh, should I teach it to my students? And I'm wondering what's the relevance. I actually knew how to do all of these things, but I couldn't actually attach the relevance to it. Like, why should I even use it in the first place? Maybe it's just to package my CV, put it out there. But then along the line, COVID happened. And I was this kind of person that always been in the classroom. And this period of time, we were not in the classroom. It almost drove me crazy. Like I needed a way to reach out to my students. I needed a way, and I was thinking, what if this thing continues? Does that mean this is the end of my career? Like I can't actually do anything beyond the classroom. So that was how I actually started my journey beyond the classroom using technology. I needed to go beyond the classroom. I knew that I could actually offer more. So I think during the COVID, I became more intentional about it, the use of technology. I think in my work environment then, I was the first person to actually reach out to my students during the COVID. Then, even when we really didn't know how to reach out to them, I was engaging them. I was keeping them updated. I was sending worksheets to them. I was grading. I was doing all of this thing. And I was like, okay, we could actually survive. Learning could take place even if we're not in the classroom. It's not just myself learning how to use this tech tool, it's also engaging my students and all of that. So for me, it's been like an adventure because we're still in it. We're learning every day. Sometimes you think you've actually learned one super tech skill and you're bringing it into the classroom, and before you know, you go out there, you see another teacher that is actually doing something better than what you're doing in another way, doing what you're doing but in a better way. So you still want to learn more.